Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Kiran from Foodies and Travel, and today I am taking you to Hohe Meisner Kreis in my region, and it's in Germany, and it's a magical town. So let's go. Hi guys, so today I am here in Hohe Meisner. It's one of the region in my state. Oh, it's so nice. This is the open church in Hohe Meisner. Look how beautiful it is. Blessing. It's a blessing. Okay guys, so I'm going back to my home. Until then, you watch this video and enjoy the snowfall and the snow, and don't forget to please like, share and subscribe my channel and comment below. Bye.